cleaning shortcuts you should take. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello and welcome again to our channel. Keep watching our new video posts to learn even more in keeping your home fresh, comfortable and free of any bacteria that may compromise you and your family's health. Keep watching till the end of this video for more helpful cleaning tips and tricks. When it comes to cleaning, your routine can surely benefit from a few proven shortcuts that work to reduce the effort and time you invest in the chore. This is important since you don't want to feel overwhelmed and postpone your duties altogether. What you should be doing instead is following a number of shortcuts that can speed things up and make home cleaning a far easier task than you currently regard it as. You should have a cleaning route. Regardless of what kind of home you live in, you should map out a cleaning route. For example, you can always start from your bedroom and then finish up the cleaning rounds in the kitchen. By focusing your effort entirely on a single room at a time, you can better deal with the task. You will reduce unnecessary walking back and forth, which is essential for being able to finish with the task on time. Break down chores. If you think about chores in terms of doing the whole place, for example, bathroom cleaning, you will always feel somewhat intimidated by them. That is why it is better to think of chores as a collection of many different tasks, some of which you can address at another time. For example, you don't have to tackle the entire bathroom in one go. Instead, you can deal with tiles and grout, and come back to the shower area and faucets at a later point. Do a little cleaning on a frequent basis. Instead of having to clean for the whole weekend, you should get into the habit of cleaning more frequently, but for a shorter time. For instance, you can do a quick wipe in the kitchen or in the living room and thus prevent a big mess from ever occurring there. It will save you a lot of effort in the long run and turn cleaning into a manageable chore. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Designate a cleaning center. If you wish to be more efficient in your cleaning efforts, you should designate a place of your home for all of your cleaning equipment and detergents. That way everything you need will be conveniently stored in one place, and you can easily access it. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Cleaning is not a simple chore by any means. Sometimes it feels like a burden, and you need to have someone to share it with. Whether it be the members of your family that you live with, a friend or perhaps a cleaning company, there is always someone you can ask for help to make your cleaning more bearable. By following these tips, you can bet that your home cleaning chores will feel a lot easier than before. If you wish to find out more about effective cleaning methods, you can check with FastKlean. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out for important organizing strategies by room. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.